Welcome to Upper School, an active and vibrant community that supports learning partnerships between students, their teachers, and each other to empower them to excel. The academic program in Upper School provides students with a rigorous, comprehensive, and relevant curriculum that continues the Robinson tradition of innovation as a leading educational institution. Each student has the unique opportunity to tailor his/her academic program based on his/her strengths and goals. From standard-level college prep to higher-level Ivy Diploma program courses, students immerse themselves into the exploration of STEM, humanities, world languages, the arts, and a full series of electives. Our curriculum offering is enriched with an array of college prep, advanced placement, and diploma program courses throughout our partnerships with online schools, Pamoja, and Virtual High School. An essential component of Robinson Upper School is the College Readiness Program. Students are guided and assisted by our college counselor throughout the process of searching for and applying to the university of their choice. Based on their academic program and goals, students have the opportunity to take several standardized examinations such as the PSAT, NMSQT, SAT, College Board Puerto Rico, Advanced Placement Exams, and Ivy External Examinations, adding to a complete student experience opportunities in athletics, performing arts and exhibition, student leadership and service organizations, academic competitions, and global student travel allow students to refine a clear sense of self. A student's journey through the Robinson Upper School leads to a 100% college acceptance rate and extensive college scholarships awards. Hope to see you around.